Gold traded beautifully bullish and now has achieved 2660. Refer my yesterday's video and do watch the levels which I had mentioned, the support levels for yesterday, 2618.20. What has happened? Gold retraced towards 2618.20 and then a beautiful recovery it is shown, beautifully behaving the way we had expected it to. While silver is the one which is traded in zone, and here again just refer to the levels 3080 it has respected and bounce back, and on the upside it is yet to break beyond 312025. Now what to expect today from gold and silver? Can we expect this momentum to continue from here? More bulls awaited and gold price going to the highs, or there is a possibility of a reversal. What is going to be our strategy? In order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. We will do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade. Trade with profit, trade with logic, trade with confidence. And this is the only channel to give you two updates with such a detailed analysis. The next update will be released before the US session, before the major data releases from US. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. This is a great motivation, friends. Your every like, comment, share is a great motivation and support from me. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. Now, see what's happening in gold. Here at this point in my video, I have mentioned it has formed a very strong building, and once it comes out of this zone, it is going to deliver another round of rise where we can see 2660. What has happened? It has already seen now 2660 levels, and see it is still delivering higher lows and higher highs. See, after this rise it is forming a flag, and now you can see the resistance levels are going to become the support. Remember the levels I have mentioned, 2648, 2652. Now this is going to be the prime support zone for the day, and any drop below 2648, remember for the day 2640 is the only below which you should treat this as bearish. Just mark the levels. 2640 is the only level below which you can say now gold is turning bearish. So till then we have to be cautious with the sells, though 2648 if it breaches we can initiate a selling entry. Now let's have a look further. See stochastic looking downward, slight bearish sign. The MACD has retraced, it is trading in green, it is still having room for further rise. The RSI is near to top. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts. The crossover here in the moving averages is beautiful. It is certainly bullish here, and if you look at the formation, what has happened yesterday after this rise, it is retraced towards 20 period, taking the support. Another round of rise is continuing here. If you connect the dots here, you will find it is trading in this bullish channel. The lows here at towards 2640, the highs at towards 2680. Now if you also notice what has happened in the last few candles, rise, retracement, and see hardly any bearishness is shown in these two candles, and we are now again looking forward to higher highs. Increasing body size, very important for gold to now trade above 2658 and then 2664.65. Now mark the levels 2664.65. This is the level above which you can expect more bullishness to prevail. And first of all, yes, 2664.65 is an achievable level, very clear. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is also almost flat and it is at a slightly higher level, because see we have already seen a rise here and it is already at peak, so slight retracement on the downside can be expected. RSI near to overbought levels again on the 3 hour. Similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts, continuing here on the upside. Higher lows, higher highs trading in this bullish channel. The top at around 2664.65. This is something you should watch out for, beyond which 2671.72.5 will appear, and then we can expect 2678.80. Stochastic overbought. MACD has seen a good rise and it appears it has flattened here. At this point we have to be a bit cautious, which means a rise towards 2664.65. See, till 64.65 the reversal possibilities will be very high. Means till 64.65 we can expect that it can in fact erase all the gains and trade in red. Very much possible. But once it breaches 71.72, I think the reversal possibilities will decrease or will be negligible for the day. Stock RSI entering into overbought zone here as well. Coming to 4-hour chart, look at 4-hour chart, see higher lows, higher highs, increasing body size. I will wait for the next candle, because see the next candle when it appears it will be breaking this channel here, which is certainly a bullish channel, and breaking beyond 2664.65 is a good sign that we can look forward to in fact a move towards 76.80 zone as well. Possibilities there. See moving averages have started to converge and it is crossed over here. Now on the downside, first support levels at 2640, then 26 30 32, and then 26 20 18. These are the three support levels which you should watch out for. See, unless and until it gives a breakout like this, it can still erase the gains. Look what has happened here. After staying like this, it can again come down here. So this is something you should keep a eye on, because see, it can retrace from the current levels. It is getting into slightly overbought zone. Look at the stock IST. This has come to an overbought levels. Look at the MACD has seen a good enough rise, and after such a strong bearish momentum, now it has come down to the levels from which where you can expect a reversal. RSI rising, coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See, consistently three bullish candles, and you can also notice that the bullishness getting diminished. You can also notice that the moving averages have almost flattened, and also now it is trading above the 2050 period moving average, which is a very good sign for the. Now see, I have mentioned at this point itself that it is a reversal confirmation. It is a confirmation that gold prices are going to rise here. We have seen a very strong recovery here. Now for today, we have to watch out with caution, because once it breaks out beyond 64 65 and then 71 72, there are chances that it can erase all the losses from this candle, which means 2684 levels. I think it is going to be difficult for gold to do so, but yes, the momentum is right now very much supportive of further rise. And for the day, remember 2640 is one level you should watch out for. So right now for the day, I will recommend you to in fact buy 2658, expect 2664 65, and then expect further rise towards 2671 72, beyond which you can expect. See, ideally 78 and 84 are the two levels which are going to be now critical if it continues to rise, because breaking beyond which you can say enormous bulls will be seen. But I see that metals has to top out somewhere, because this is still under retracement. I see there is a possibility of further down move, however not yet confirmed, because see, on the weekly charts prices has taken the support from the 20 period and bouncing back here, though there is a lot much of downside available, but right now I can see a support coming into picture here. So today is going to be one critical day. The way gold behaves is going to be definitely important. Thus watch out with caution on the upside. In fact, 26 71 72, then 78, and then 84, three levels which you should be very very cautious of. Yes, you can buy 2658. Now where to sell? Before I provide you the selling levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, where you should sell? See, ideally, 2648 is the level at which you should take a sell today. And if you're selling at 2648 levels, remember 2644 and 2640. Once it breaks below 2640 is where we can see increasing bearishness, where the chances will be high that we may see gold at 2630 32, the first target zone, 2624 2620, the second target zone. And only if gold is seen trading below 26 24 20, you can say that it is reversing, then we can aim for 26 10 08. Chances for such a strong reversal appears to be less here, but yes, these are markets, so take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver, respecting the 3080 levels, is trading in a zone, and it appears it has formed a very very good base, very very good support here at 3080 levels. Now on the upside, it is very very important, I have mentioned yesterday as well, 3140 levels for it need to break past by. See, moving averages have started to converge and at double bottom levels. Just wait for it to stay above 3125 3140 zone. This is the zone which is going to remain a caution zone for us as well. You need to watch out in detail how it behaves in between 3120 3140, because once it breaks past by, the next destination is towards 3160, and I expect that once it breaks 3160, the next stoppage is directly towards 32. That is a target we would like to achieve today. Stochastic overbought. MACD, after hitting the lows, had formed a double bottom, trading with divergence looking upwards, and this is certainly a good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 now look at 2 hour charts. What it did is it has formed a nice flag and it is breaking out now. Very good sign for the bulls. So once it stays again the same levels 31, 20, 40, 60, three stops it needs to breach, because beyond this just stay bullish for 32. Very good indication here for the same. If you look at rise retracement, connect the dots here, you will find that it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs are above 32. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD has retraced, trying to convert. This crossover can lead to reversal. RSI is rising on the 3 hour. Look at 3 hour charts, the bottom here, the flag formation here, the breakout here, and thus once it stays above 31, 20, 40, 60, it will reach to moon here. Moving averages crossed over here, good sign for the bull. Stochastic rising here, the MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over, it is still on sell. This is one sign you should keep a note of. RSI is rising here, good sign for the bulls. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour chart. See here it was trading bearish. It has breached out. It is looking upwards. And see silver for the last or throughout the week we have seen it trading with modest bullishness. It has not shown any aggressive movement compared to what we had seen in gold. We have seen a very good recovery, while the silver is the one which is still cautious or taking a cautious stand here. But today possibility is there that it may give you a breakout and it can keep on rising. Look what has happened. It has formed a very strong base, very strong support zone here, and now breaking out. So once it stays above 31, 20, 25, stay bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to cross over for a buy. And I had shared yesterday as well. Look at the formation symmetry here. If it crosses over, we are looking forward to a greater up move. RSI rising. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts. Resistance here from 31, 50, 60. Retracement, higher lows, trying to pull back. We can see higher highs. So possible move towards 31, 80, 32 can be seen here. Stochastic at top. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a buy. RSI is rising. Looking at this, very simple. I will recommend you to buy at 31.25. Expect 31.40, 31.60, and once it breaks beyond 31.60, ideally the next targets are towards 32, and then 32.25, 32.50 levels should appear here. On the downside, I will expect a selling entry at $31 levels, expect 30.80, and only bearishness in silver today is if you see it trading below 30.80. Once it trades below 30.80 is where you can expect 30.40, 30.50 at the next target. 30.20 at the second, and a drop below 30.20 is a clear sign of further correction where you can expect 29.80, 29.50 as the next target. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.